Hi folks, Cueball here. Just a quick big thank you to my mate Danny Guest for giving me a few gifts towards me motorcycle lifestyle. So we've got a new pair of gloves, good condition. Thanks for them, Dan. And this one is a motorcycle helmet, TT All a Man, only been worn once, signed by John McGuinness himself. There's a picture to prove it. And there's the helmet. There's signatures. There's the helmet. Lovely little helmet. So, oh, is that? It's got a black visor inside. It's also reckons it's got the pin lock. I'll sort that out after. I just thought I'd show you that. Something else being dedicated to the channel. So thanks for that, Dan. Very much appreciated, mate. Very nice.